Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Canon Coffee, and today we have a Saeco Pico Baristo. This machine had came in for quite a few things. One was that there was just no coffee coming out of the spouts, and then when there was coffee coming out of spouts, it was very, very much watery. And so I went in there and we did a complete tune-up on the machine. What that entails is we open the brew unit, replace all the gaskets on the brew units, also clean the valve that's connected to the brew unit that gives it water, and replace those gaskets too. Also did descaling on your machine and multiple cleanings of the spouts. Used quite a lot of detergent to get through it. And so we are going to test the machine. Just put some coffee in the hopper. We're going to put this under here and we're going to brew just an espresso. We do this. We do two. And we're just going to test the coffee brewing side of the machine. The rest of the machine didn't have any problems. But yeah, so just did a complete deep clean on this machine. Cleaned both the eternal spout, which is this brick right here, because you can slide this off, and this is the secondary spout. Cleaned both of them. Soaked this one in a lot of coffee detergent. But we're gonna let that brew, and this coffee is a little older, so you might not see a lot of crema. We are making two of them though. And of course, if you want a stronger coffee, you could go finer, which we could try doing now. Oh, maybe not. Usually if you want like a more darker coffee, or you want, more out of it, you would want to go finer. Right now we're halfway to the finest setting. Not halfway on the dial, but halfway to the finer settings. But yeah. And here's a second shot. And again, this is just very older coffee, and so I won't show too much, but yeah. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video and if our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.